Okay, I decided to just make a quick little video here. I'm in write mode. This is about placing multiple dynamics, right? That's too much. I'm just going to select these rests, right? And this phrase moves down to mezzo piano. Bang, mezzo piano. It connected with the hairpin, which I really don't want it to do. I'm going to undo that, and I'm actually going to remove the hairpin for now. Okay, so I'm in write mode, and again, I am going to select all the rests and this half note also is going to end with MP, but there is MP, and I hit F to flip it because I'm bringing it down to where the singer is going to be seeing it. This is sometimes interesting, like whether the dynamic is attached to one or both notes. It doesn't really matter in this instance. There may be varying behavior. I hit F again, and now because I'm in write mode, I'm not really placing anything. Now, something that's interesting is if I go and I select this one, the rest of them are going to be blue because I input them all at once. So now what I've been doing is I go into engrave mode, and right now I'm positioning them as a group. I can drag them once the computer catches up. So the computer to catch up. Okay, I can drag them, and they all drag, for example, there. But in engrave mode, which is a bit odd, you cannot unlink. Right? So let's say I wanted to make slight individual adjustments. I select one of the group or linked dynamics. Then I'm right-clicking, but I'm using the double two-fingered click on my MacBook Pro trackpad, I guess is what it's called. And I'm going to unlink. Now that they're unlinked, I move back to engrave mode. And now they're all selected. They would move together. But now that they're unlinked, I can move them individually. Now, Option, arrow, there. Option, Command moves it a little bit more. Option, arrow. And this is something that's really important to me. I don't 100% know what the crosshairs mean. The vertical crosshair is going through the M. That doesn't make that much sense to me, right? The line is going to the rest. That means that this dynamic is visually sort of attached to the rest. That's where it's sort of its dependency is. But if I look at those lines, you know, I would want an indicator like, am I on the same baseline according to typesetting? And I don't quite know. I mean, maybe you can see it. I don't know. So, and also the vertical crosshair doesn't make any sense to me. Like, why is it going through the M? But anyway, I'm option arrowing. And then here, I'm actually going to option command arrow to get a little bit of a greater nudge. There. And I'm in engrave mode, and because I'm in engrave mode, I will select the one note, move back to write mode, select the final note with command select. Let's see if, let me do it, Shift D for dynamics, and this is a decrescendo shift. I need to find the little hairpin, and it put it up on top and did not attach it to the letter dynamic to the mezzo piano. And systematically, the way that I'm doing it is that the top hairpins apply to the entire choir. So that's how that's going to be done. All right, so thank you for your time and attention, and I hope this helps. Take care. Bye for now.